Hello students of 8th standard, we have started the chapter number 8 from your science textbook, that is nothing but pollution. See here page number 56. So one table is given there, air pollutant sources and effects. So what does this tells us? See there, air pollutant which is sulfur dioxide. Which are the sources? From where does this sulfur dioxide occurs? From factories. It occurs from factories where coal and mineral oil are used as a fuels. So what are the effects? You may get the irritation of eyes, respiratory tract infections, you may get there excess mucus, or you can say cough or breathing problems you may have. Then next one, carbon monoxide, which is CO. Then source is nothing but we can get this carbon monoxide from vehicles and industrial smoke. So what are the effects? Lowered, you can say, oxygen carrying capacity of the blood. You can say the oxygen carrying capacity of the blood is lowered there. Then next comes oxides of a nitrogen. It is due to the sources are due to the vehicular smoke. Then see, irritation of respiratory tract and lungs are the effects of the oxides of nitrogen. Then comes particulate matter. Sources are vehicular and industrial smoke. The effects are nothing but respiratory diseases. Then see next one, dust. Dust comes, or the source of the dust is nothing but vehicular and industrial smoke. Then effects of this, you can say, dust is nothing but silicosis. Then pesticides is one of the, you can say, air pollutant. Then sources is nothing but production and use of the pesticides. What happens, the effects if we inhale or if these pesticides goes into our body? See there, you may have a mental weakness, death due to the prolonged exposure. Then see next one, methane, which is written as CH4. So sources are industrial leakage. The effects are see, poisoning. Then again skin cancer, asthma, respiratory diseases. Then see next one, effect of air pollution on plants and animals. First we will see plants. What happens due to the air pollution in the plant? Whenever there is a air pollution, the plants are affected. How they are affected? See there, their stomatas get closed. Stomatas are the pores through which the carbon dioxide enters into the body of a plant. Then see, slow downing rate of a photosynthesis. The photosynthesis rate is, you can say, lower. Then growth is stopped or growth is retarded. The leaves fall off or become yellow. These are nothing but the effect of air pollution onto the plants. Then that of the animals. Respiration is adversely affected in animals. Then see, irritation of eyes is also seen in animals. Then see next one, effect of air pollution on plants and animals. Whenever you see that, effect of air pollution on plants and animals. First you have to see depletion in the ozone layer. What happened? We have studied that ozone layer we have studied about the ozone layer in the previous classes. What does this tell us? That ozone layer is present below the, you can say, stratosphere at the height of about 48 km from the Earth's surface. It protects the living world. Whatever the living world is there, it protects the living world, or you can say the Earth from the, you can say, UV rays which are radiated from the sun or which comes from the sun. However, nowadays ozone layer is getting depleted due to the see one of the reason is greenhouse effect and global warming. Though CO2 is present in a very less quantity. So see, though CO2 is present in a very less quantity in an atmosphere, it plays a very important role in absorption of the, you can say, solar heat. Then see, over last 100 years, proportion of, you can say, CO2 has been increased due to the industrialization. Industries give out the smoke which contains the carbon dioxide. Then see, effect of this carbon dioxide on the earth's temperature is nothing but the greenhouse effect. That means effect of this CO2 causes the greenhouse effect. Similar to CO2, nitrous oxide, methane and CFC, they also trap the heat and they also causes the, you can say, greenhouse effect. Collectively these all are called as the greenhouse gases. So greenhouse gases are collectively affecting the earth, and this is nothing but the, you can say, effect of the air pollution whenever you see that. Global temperature is gradually increasing nowadays. We see that global temperature is nowadays increasing very much. The seasons, with the summer, winter or rainy, they don't come in their proper time. There you can say there is a difference of a period in these seasons. Then see, due to this atmosphere is changing. What happens? Due to this the atmosphere is changing. Due to what? Due to the greenhouse effect. Then see, this causes the disturbance into the agricultural yield. Then again distribution of wild animals. Then again icebergs and glaciers are melting, causing the increase in the sea level. Next comes the acid rain. Oxides of sulfur and nitrogen are released in the atmosphere through the burning of coal, timber, fuel, oils. All this causes the, you can say, these oxides. Those oxides mix with the rainwater and forms the acid like sulfuric acid. What happens? Those oxides mix with the rainwater and they form the, you can say, acids like sulfuric acid, nitric acid, nitrous acid, and this acid mixes with the raindrops and snowflakes and you can say come down as a rain. This is called as a acid rain. Now there are some effects of the acid rain. What causes the effect of the acid? What are the effects of the acid rain? See here. The acidity of the soil and water bodies increases due to the acid rain. What happens? The acidity is going to increase as there is a, you can say, this water contains the acid. Then see, it harms the aquatic organism, plants and entire forest life also. Then see, total ecosystem are adversely affected in such types of, you can say, cases. Erosion of a building. There is a erosion of a building, bursts, then again see there historical monuments, then again bridges, metal idols, wire fences, occurs, etc. occurs due to the, you can say, acid rain. All these are affected due to the acid rain. Heavy metal like mercury and cadmium are absorbed by the, you can say, plants and thereby enter the food chain directly due to the acid rain. Due to acidification of water in water bodies and pipes, there is, you can say, leaching of metal and plastic material occurs in an water and thereby serious health problems are arising in such cases.